Hi, today I'm for the XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon, and just to add some options here to notification panel we should use this green pluses, so white pluses, and just to add, for example, the scanner or the NFC option, we should click on the right upper corner of each of these options. Now we can see that they are added here successfully. To remove them by the same way, you should click here to this minuses. And if you want to change the position of the icons on notification panel, we should hold it and just drag the icon. So as you can see, that's so simple. Then just tap here to done and you'll save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.